Okay, I'm going to show you how to both find your @Kindle email that Amazon gives you, and then how to add me as an approved sender so that I'm allowed to send you the book. So this page right here, managing your device content and account on Amazon, I will link this below if you want to just click on it, but this is Amazon's instructions for you. And then on the left side here, they lead you directly to your device. So this page has 4 different sections where you can see the books that you have, devices, etc. But we're going to go to this preferences tab and then just scroll down until you see the personal document settings. Click on that, and this is where everything you need is going to be. So the very first thing is figuring out your Kindle email address. So this is where I'm sending the book. It needs to say @kindle.com, and it's usually a little bit strange looking like this. Although if you want to, you can edit it and make the beginning part of it a little bit prettier and more customized, and just make sure that you save it before you send that to me and let me know. But then grab this, copy and paste it, send it over to me, and that's what will let me send you the book. But before it will be allowed to be delivered, you also have to add me to your approved personal document email list. And so this is super easy to do. You just click this little button right here at the bottom, and you're going to add my first and last name, Bethany Atazadeh, @yahoo.com. And I will send you this as well, and I'll put it below this video if you just want to copy and paste it in. And as soon as you click add address, which I'm not going to do because it's already right there, it will show up in your list of people that you have approved to send you books. And once you do that, I will be able to send you the book to your @Kindle email, and you will be all set.